Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. The channel that celebrates elegance, confidence and timeless fashion for women over 50. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on the most inspiring matter of fashion. You can redefine beauty every day. Today, we're shining the spotlight on the sensational Dolly Bird, the Nylon fashion queen with a turning head and breaking ignored at the 5'6". Dolly Bird is living proof that true style never fades. With every photo she shares, she shows the world that age is just a number, and confidence is the most beautifully thing a woman can wear. On Instagram, you'll find her Dolly 69 Bird, 69 where she is gained over 130,000 fans who can get in out of her classic look, lowered for nylon and high-heel glamour. Her content is a celebrity of self-expression, mature beauty and fearless femininity. Known for her passion for nylon fashion, Dolly stands is a stocking type and elegant hosiery that elevate her outfits with grace and charm. She effortlessly combines vintage glamour with a modern age, proving that sophistication and bold style go hand in hand. Dolly Bird represents the beauty of natural mature women who embrace their age with pride and confidence. As a leading over 50 model and fashion content creator, Dolly continues to inspire women to step into their power, embrace their style, and live with elegance, self-love, and freedom. If Dolly Bird's story touched your heart, showing your support, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe in my channel. Thank you and goodbye.